communication.
Did you call Ben last night?
Yes. I tried to get a hold of him last night, but it was so difficult to get through.
That's strange. Maybe he was on the net.
That's probably it. No wonder the line was busy all the time. Maybe he ought to get another line.
Or he should get call waiting. Why didn't you call me yesterday?
I tried to get a hold of you, but I couldn't get through.
What time did you call?
I tried all morning.
Then I can't understand why you couldn't get through.
I kept getting a busy signal. Is your phone out of order?
What do you mean?
I tried calling you all night, but I wasn't able to get through.
Oh. I was on the phone all night. Sorry about that.
Well, you might wanna add call waiting to your phone service if you're always on the phone.
I guess so. What's wrong with your phone? Dale. I tried to call you all night last night.
I'm sorry. No one was able to get through yesterday. My telephone was disconnected by the phone company.
What happened? Didn't you pay the bill?
Well, I forgot. I can hardly hear you, Nick. Oh. We seem to have a bad connection on this phone. Could you speak up, please? I'm talking as loud as I can. I'm going to hang up and call again. Okay. Hello. May I speak to Mr. Brown?
He just left.
When do you expect him back?
I'm sorry, but he's gone for the day. Would you care to leave a message?
Could you tell him that John Smith called? And have him call me back tomorrow?
Sure. May I have your phone number?
I think he has my number.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I'll tell him you called.
Thanks. Hello. May I speak to Mr. John Smith?
I'm sorry. He's out to lunch. Would you like to leave a message?
What time do you expect him back?
Mr. Smith should be back in half an hour.
Thank you. I'll try back later. Pamela, can you come to a meeting on Friday?
I'm not sure. Let me check my schedule. What time are you having it?
We're planning on having it around noon.
Let me get back to you in a few minutes.
Sure. If I'm not in, could you leave a message on my answering machine?
Sure thing.
Stanley. There's a Mr. Miller on the phone who wants to talk to you.
I'm busy at the moment. Can you ask him to hold? Tell him I'll talk with him in a few seconds.
Sure. He's online too.
Thanks. Timothy. Pacific Bell. May I help you?
Yes. I'd like to set up a telephone service. Please.
Do you presently have service?
No. This is new.
All right. I'll connect you with our customer service department. Please hold.
Thanks. I'd like to have a phone installed. Please.
May I have your name and address? Please.
Sure. My name is Sean Kobluk. Kobluk. My address is 1600 Iowa Avenue. Apartment 16.
May I have your date of birth and your social security number? Please.
Sure. My date of birth is June 11th, 1980. My social security number is 554669980.
Thank you very much. The earliest day for connection is this Friday. Is that okay?
That's fine. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kobluck. Have a nice day.
Pacific Bell. May I help you?
I'd like to have my phone disconnected.
May I ask why?
Well, I'm graduated and I'm moving to California for a new job there.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
All right. May I have your phone number, please?
Yes. My phone number is 377-765-8769.
And the name on the account, please?
My name is Jeffrey Shaffer.
For security purposes, Mr. Shaffer, may I have your date of birth, please?
It's June 5, 1978.
Thank you. Now, when would you like it to be disconnected?
Tomorrow by 5 p.m.
Okay. The telephone will be disconnected at 5 p.m. tomorrow.